Certainly. Here's a detailed description of a Lavender Field of Provence spring tour, designed to be captivating and informative, perfect for enticing travelers. Experience the enchanting beauty of Provence in spring, where rolling hills are painted with vibrant hues of lavender, and the air is filled with their intoxicating fragrance. Our Lavender Field of Provence spring tour offers an immersive journey through one of France's most picturesque regions, renowned for its stunning landscapes, charming villages, and rich cultural heritage. Witness the breathtaking lavender fields in full bloom, a sea of purple that stretches as far as the eye can see. The sight, coupled with the aromatic scent, creates a truly magical experience. Explore quaint, historic villages such as Gordes, Roussillon, and Salt, each offering unique architecture, local crafts, and inviting cafes. Visit the Musée de la Lavande to learn about the history, cultivation, and uses of lavender Provence. Savor the flavors of Provence with delicious meals featuring local ingredients and wines, reflecting the region's culinary excellence. Discover the artistic legacy of Provence, home to famous painters like Van Gogh and Cézanne, with visits to local galleries and museums. Arrive in the historic city of Avignon, known for its medieval architecture and the iconic Pont d'Avignon. Enjoy a welcome reception at our charming hotel, where you will meet your tour guide and fellow travelers. Savor your first taste of Provençal cuisine at a renowned local bistro, featuring a menu of fresh, regional dishes paired with fine local wines. Begin with a guided walking tour of Avignon, visiting the Palais des Papes, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the bustling Place de l'Horloge. Travel to the picturesque town of L'Isle-sur-la-Sorgue, famous for its antique markets and scenic waterways. Enjoy free time to explore and shop for unique treasures. Depart for the stunning lavender fields near Gordes. Stroll through the fields, capturing beautiful photographs and learning about lavender farming from local experts. Enjoy a rustic Provençal lunch at a charming farmhouse surrounded by lavender fields. Explore the hilltop village of Gordes, one of the most beautiful villages in France, known for its stone buildings and panoramic views. Discover the vibrant village of Roussillon, famous for its ochre cliffs and colorful houses. Take a guided tour through the Ochre Trail and the village. Head to the Musée de la Lavande in Coustelet, where you will learn about the history and uses of lavender in Provence, from traditional distillation methods to modern applications. Travel to the village of Salt, the heart of lavender country, where fields of lavender stretch to the horizon. Visit local shops and markets specializing in lavender products. In the afternoon, embark on an excursion to Mount Ventoux, the giant of Provence, offering spectacular views and a chance to explore the diverse flora and fauna of the region. Follow in the footsteps of Vincent van Gogh in Saint-Rémy de Provence, visiting sites that inspired his masterpieces. Enjoy a wine tasting session at a local vineyard, sampling some of the finest wines produced in the region, accompanied by a tour of the winery. Relish a farewell breakfast with your fellow travelers, sharing memories and highlights of the tour. Transfer to Avignon TGV station or Marseille Airport for your journey home, carrying with you the unforgettable essence of Provence. Stay in hand-picked accommodations that reflect the charm and elegance of Provence. Our selected hotels offer modern amenities, comfortable rooms, and exceptional service, ensuring a relaxing and enjoyable stay. Accommodation in luxury hotels, daily breakfast, selected lunches and dinners, transportation by private coach, professional English-speaking tour guide, entrance fees to all included sites and attractions, wine tasting and lavender farm visit, comprehensive travel insurance. The tour is designed to coincide with the peak blooming season of lavender in Provence, typically from late June to early August. Comfortable walking shoes, sun protection, a camera for capturing the stunning landscapes, and a light jacket for cooler evenings. French is the primary language spoken, though English is widely understood in tourist areas. A few basic French phrases can enhance your experience. For bookings and further details, please contact our customer service team at phone 33-123-456789, email info@provence-tours.com, website www.provencetours.com. Join us on the Lavender Field of Provence Spring Tour for a journey that promises to delight your senses and create lasting memories. Reserve your spot today and step into the fragrant, colorful world of Provence.